Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here running through the trade with you on this 13th day of April 2026. And like we do most days, we look for our amazing um, strong candle indicator, which is this on this green candle. It's a little triangle pushing up. It's 6 times stronger than the previous candle. The sellers have made a really nice run down. We look for the first strong candle going in the opposite direction. This one happens to be with the trend and looking very, very nice. Now, for what targets am I shooting for? Now, the PVI is pretty low considering that we've been in over 100 for most of the day. So I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 40 and 50 ticks in length, but we're going to go with our medium ATM like we did in the room because this would be a multi-candle trade. So we're going for 16s, 30s, and we'll shoot one out there to 90s like we did today. And this is how it all went down the room. We're going to wait for a little bit of a pushback against this candle. Then we're just going to buy it as far as we can. So here's how it went down. Boom. It's a little bit of red. There we go. A little bit more. Should come back down to the trend indicator, push off of that, and then just scoot uh, to the top of the screen. So once we get picked up and all our targets are set, we'll speed it up a little bit so that we're not here all day. It was a pretty slow movement, but the signals were amazing. Amazing. All right, so we're in. We're going to de-risk the trade once our first target is hit. First of all, we put our stop where it belongs. Go under all these brick walls, the last major failure point. And now we just wait. We'll speed it up now and watch what happens when our first target gets taken out. The stop will come all the way from there, all the way back, almost under the current candle, and we'll de-risk it completely. Boom. See that? Now that's a break-even position. If the market comes back and takes me out, I will not have made any money, but I wouldn't have lost any money and would have paid all my fees. So now we just sit back, relax, and wait and see if our larger targets are going to get hit. Now, this is going to be a multi-candle trade, so we may speed it up slightly because we went for a 90 tick target. And on this slow a day, a 90 tick target is going to take a little bit of time. So we'll speed it up to 8 times market speed, so we're not here, like I say, all day. We could just take this out right now, and it would be just a fabulous trade as it is. But we'll just let it play out. Again, 8 times market speed. This will take about a minute per candle. Not that big a deal. The more you go for, the longer you're probably going to have to sit in the trade. Well, strong candle indicators, one of the you're not going to find it anywhere else than you're at Samurai Day Trading. So come and join us in the LTR. Get the indicators that make it easy to trade, and boom, just that fast. Now that took 2 candles in a minute or less. So it took about 11 minutes to do that trade. It was worth 770 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 770 US dollars in about 11 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. Look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. Take care. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.